Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Hub. Okay, in this session, let us learn about algebraic identities. Okay, what are algebraic identities and how to remember them easily. Okay, see, you all may come across these identities. What it is? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square and so on. Okay. These all formulas are becoming too much headache to us, right? Yes or no? In this session, let us see how to remember them easily or how to derive them, how we got those formulas and how to remember them easily. Okay, and some examples. Clear? First, before going to that, before going to a plus b whole square formula, see what is 2 square. How to find 2 square? Any number to the power 2 or square is nothing but you have to multiply the same number 2 times, right? 2 into 2, what it is? 4. In the same way, what is 10 square? 10 square is nothing but 10 into 10, right? So it is 100. Okay, in the same way, what is a square? Here, we have numbers, the same way here we have variable. Clear? The variable a square is nothing but same a into a. In the same way, let us find what is a plus b whole square. Okay, in mathematics everything is same. Okay, no need to confuse. Here we have a, here we have number, but here we have a plus b. This is also have same meaning. What it is? A plus b whole square is nothing but a plus b into a plus b. Multiply the same number 2 times. Okay, now what we have to do? Here, as this is a single term, you can multiply. But here, this is, we call it as binomial. Okay, same. Here I have 2 terms. But how to multiply this algebraic expression? First, take the first variable, multiply the whole second term. What will you get? A into a plus b. Okay. In the same way, second term it is. What is the sign here? Write it there. Okay. Plus next b into again second what it is? A plus. We have to multiply the whole number. There. Now what will you get? This will become a into a. You will get a square. A into b is ab plus. What it is? B into a. It is ba. Plus b into b is b square. Now, in algebra, which terms we can add? We can add like terms. Okay, like term means the same power and same variable. Here we have ab, here we have ba. These two are same, like terms or not. Okay, first see here. What is 2 into 3? It is 6, right? In the same way, what is 3 into 2? It is also 6. Nothing but when regarding to numbers and variables, if you multiply in any order, the result is same. So here also you can write AB instead of AB you can write BA. Nothing but AB and BA are both same. AB is nothing but multiplying A and B. BA is multiplying A and B. Clear? So what will you get? A square plus AB plus AB plus B square. Now we will get a plus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square is equal to a square ab plus ab. See, whatever it may be, a plus a. How many a's are there? 2 a's. Adding. Okay, so we will get 2a. Okay. What is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. See here, I am taking one example. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times I am adding? I am adding 5 times. Okay, we will get 10. Nothing but 2 into 5 or 5 times 2. I am adding 2 5 times. Okay, here multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. So in algebra, as many times we will add a plus a plus a plus a, what you are doing? You are adding a 4 times, nothing but 4a. Okay, 4 into 8 is 4. In the same way, AB plus AB, you are adding AB 2 times, nothing but 2 times AB plus B square. Here, there are no like terms, right? You may tell, here I have A, here I have A, but power should be same and same variable should be here. Okay, so final result is A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, some of us may write like this. See, what you write? See here, you will take like this. You will get like this: x plus 2 whole square is equal to. In first, you are writing like this: x square plus 2 square. Okay, but this is totally wrong. Why it is wrong? You are not supposed to give power directly to both the number when it is plus here. Okay, it or minus. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. So you have to do. Why you can't get? Sir, if I write like this, why it is wrong? Take the help of example. What is 2 plus 3 whole square equal? If you write like this, what will you get? 2 square plus 3 square. But what is 2 plus 3? 5 square. It is 4 plus 9. What is 5 square? 25 is equal to 13. Is it correct? No, right? Still something is there. So, whenever it is plus and minus, you are not supposed to give directly. Okay? We have to use the formulas a plus b whole square is equal to x square plus 2ab plus b square like that and expand. So, what will you get in the place of x plus 2 whole square? Take it as a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square 2 square plus 2ab 2 into x into 2. What will you get? X square plus 4 plus 2 into 2 4x will you get like this. Okay, like this we have to expand. In the same way, what is the case with a minus b whole square? Okay, I will tell you in 2 ways. Okay, see here how to get a minus b whole square. First, see, you can do like this. What? Multiplying a minus b into a minus b. If you multiply a minus b whole square means a minus b into a minus b, right? A minus b whole square is equal to a minus b into a minus b. So what will you get? First term a into second whole minus b into a minus b. So again we will get a square minus ab minus ba minus into minus it is plus b square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. You can write like this, or one more way. If you know this formula already, okay, you can find this one. How? See, in the place of plus b, what we have here? Minus b. So, see here, how to write that one? What we have? A minus b whole square. I can write it as a plus of minus b whole square. A plus minus b is nothing but a minus b, right? So, what will you get? In the place of b, I have to write minus b, right? What is formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. In the place of b, I have substituted minus b. And a square 2a into minus b plus into all are multiplying, right? So ab, but we will get minus 2ab. Minus b whole square is nothing but minus b into minus b. So minus into minus plus. So we will get plus b square. So a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this is the formula of a minus b whole square. This is the formula of a plus b whole square. These two you have to keep it in mind. Okay, and one more way you can derive this formula through area square. Let us see this method. Now I am taking a square which is of length a plus b. Okay, here this side of this square is a plus b units. Okay, and what is the if I want to find the area of the square, what I have to do? Area of a square is nothing but side square. Okay, so what is side here? A plus b. Okay, so a plus b whole square, right? A plus b whole square, that is the area of this square. Now I am dividing the same square, as the total length is a plus b, let it be a and the remaining part be b. Okay, so divide the square according to this. You will get like this. You divide into 4 regions. Okay, in order to show it clearly, let it take first part as this will be a square, right, with the side a. Okay, as here the length is a and this side also a, total it will be a square of length a units. Okay, next the second region is also a square, but this is of length b units. Okay, in the same way the remaining 2 regions. Okay, next this is a rectangle with length a units and breadth b. In the same way this is also rectangle with length a, breadth b. Okay, now in order to find the total area of the square, you have to add the areas of all these 4 parts, right? So what I have to do? First I have to find the area of this part. This is a square with side a, so area of the square is a square. Okay, and this area of this region is a into b, as the area of a rectangle is a into b, but I have 2 rectangles there, so it will be 2ab, and the same area of this part is b square, as it is a square of length b. In order to find total area, what we have to do? I have to add. So the total area will be a square plus 2 times the area of this rectangle, 2ab plus area of this square, b square. So finally you will get a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now see, from a plus b whole square formula you will get a minus b whole square. From using these 2 formulas you can derive few more formulas. Okay, see what they are. First formula, see, adding these 2, okay, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square will give you what? Okay, see, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to, okay, we have to add a square plus 2ab minus 2ab plus b square plus b square, right? Adding these 2 here, 2ab and 2ab are like terms. Okay, so see what we will get? A square plus 2ab plus b square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a square and a square are like terms. A square plus a square. Already told this. 2a square, 2ab and minus 2ab are same numbers and opposite signs. So it gets cancelled. So what you will get? Adding, you will get a2 into a square plus b square. What is the formula? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Okay. And one more formula. This is one formula. And a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. What will get? See, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Here we get minus sign. Nothing but for whole we have minus means everything you have to subtract. Okay. See, if you write like this, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square minus 3ab plus b square. This is wrong. Why? We are subtracting a minus b whole square total. Nothing but this total we have to subtract from this number. So for this total you have to keep minus bracket. Okay. And then what it will become? This will become minus a square minus or minus plus 2ab, and this will become minus b square. So a square and minus a square, b square and minus b square cancel. You will get 4ab. Okay, so this is the formula for a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square. Okay, one is, so we have derived 2 now. Okay, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is 2 into a square plus b square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. Okay, so how many formulas you got? 4, and 2 formulas again will get what they are. Okay, see here. I'm cleaning here. Just let it be like this, only formula. Now see, in the place of b, we can write 1 by a. Okay, see here, what will you get? In the place of b, if you write 1 by a, what will you get? A plus 1 by a whole square is equal to, what will you get? A square plus, in place of b, what will you get? 1 by a whole square. 1 by a whole square. B square is nothing but you will get 1 square by 2a square. So 1 by a square. Okay, and 2ab is nothing but 2 into a into 1 by a. A and a will get cancelled. So a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. In the same way here we will get a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2ab means minus 2 will get. Okay. Here, this is the formula for a plus 1 by a whole square, and here this is the formula for a minus 1 by a whole square. Okay, and in the same way, see here, wait, a plus 1 by a whole square, a minus 1 by a whole square. If you want to remember easily, then you can write like this. Okay, a square plus 1 by a square plus 2, a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. In the same way, if we add these two, nothing but like this, what will we get? A plus 1 by a whole square plus a minus 1 by a whole square will be equal to, we will get 2 into a square plus b square. So in the place of b, what do you have? 1 by a. So 2 into a square plus 1 by a square. This is the formula for a square plus 1 by a square plus a square, sorry, a plus 1 by a whole square plus a minus 1 by a square. And if you want to find formula for a plus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 by a whole square is nothing but, it is the form of a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. So 4 into a into 1 by a is 1. So this is, we will get only 4. Okay, so from a plus b whole square, how many formulas have derived? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, in these 8, if learn 1, you will get remaining all. Okay, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, and a plus b plus whole square plus a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. In the same way, this in place of b, you will be having 1 by a. These are another 4. What it is? See here, a plus b into a minus b is equal to, okay, this is one formula. What it is? A plus b into a minus b is equal to, what we will get? How to do? A into a minus b plus b into a minus b, multiplying, right? So what we will get? A square minus ab plus ba minus b square. So what we will get? A square minus b square. What is the formula of this one? A plus b into a minus b. For getting a square minus b square, we have to multiply a plus b and a minus b. Okay, up to here, previous 8 formulas and here 1. So total 9. Okay, and but from the previous also, we will be having many formulas. Okay, see here a square minus b square. Sometimes they will be like this. They will give a plus b, and they'll ask to find what is a square plus b square, like that. See, when you have like this, just you have to remember by using a square and b square and a plus b, which formula I have? What formula I have? We will be having a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So by using here, we have to substitute a plus b value, okay, and they will give ab value also. Substitute there, you will get a plus b whole square. Or else, if you want to write formula directly, what you will get? A square plus b square is equal to, send it to this side, what you will get? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Or same formula from by using a minus b whole square is a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Okay, these are also two formulas, but these two you can derive from a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Whenever they ask to find a square plus b square, you can use a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. And whenever they ask a square minus b square, you have to use a plus b into a minus b. Now, see, cubic formulas. Okay, now up to now we saw a plus b whole square, a minus b whole, so on like that, right? With square. Now let us see how the formulas with cube, like a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube, so on. Okay, see here how we will get. Okay, but see, already you know that to square means you have to multiply 2 times. Cube means you have to multiply 3 times. So you will get a plus b into a plus b into a plus b, right? But you already know what is a plus b to a plus b. A plus b into a plus b, nothing but a plus b whole square. So what is the formula for a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So into a plus b, if you multiply a plus b whole square with a plus b, you get a plus b whole cube. Okay. Now see how to multiply this. Same. You can write in this manner or reverse. Whenever you have 2 terms, here 3. 2 terms, you have to multiply with 3 terms. So first take a into this whole 3 terms. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Next, plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so what will get? A square, a into a square, a cube plus a into 2ab, 2a square b, which a only will get multiplied, plus ab square, sorry, yes, plus b into a square, ba square plus 2ab square plus b cube. Here we have to see what are like terms. A square b, here also a square b. B square is nothing but a square b. So these two are like terms. Here you have 2 plus 1, total 3. So a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, ab square plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula for a plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We may be having one more formula when you have a plus b. What it is? A plus b whole cube. Based on question, we can use whatever the formula it is. Plus, from these two, if I take 3ab common, here what is remaining? 1a. Plus here 1b will be remaining. So what it is? A cube plus 3ab into a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. In the same way, I told how to derive a minus b whole cube. In place of b, you have to substitute minus b, right? So here b, in place of b, if you put minus b, minus of what will you get? A cube minus 3a square b. And in place of b, if you put minus b whole square is b square only, right? So sign won't change. 3ab square, and in b cube minus b whole cube means minus b 3 times, nothing but minus b into minus b into minus b, minus into minus plus, plus into minus again minus, so minus b cube. Clear? Whenever you have like this a minus b whole cube, you can put like plus or plus b. Or if you want to derive this type of formula, what you can do? Take minus common, a cube minus 3ab common, a is remaining, and here in place I have taken one minus, so you will get again minus b cube. Or else, if you learn this formula, a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus b cube, in place of every plus, change it as minus, you will get this one, a cube minus 3ab into a minus b cube, all minus. Okay, here all everything plus, and if you multiply this, you will get this one. Okay, here we have four formulas: a plus b whole cube 2 and a minus b whole cube 2 formulas. Okay, from these two formulas you can derive a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube formulas also. Okay, how? See, we know what we know. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And if you want a cube plus b cube, what we have to do? We have to send remaining to this side, right? So what we will get? A cube plus b cube will be equal to a plus b whole cube will remain this side, and remaining minus 3a square b minus 3ab square. Or from this, what will you get? A plus b whole cube. This everything is single term, so you get minus 3ab into a plus b. This plus won't become minus. Why? This is a single term, and for this you have plus. If you change it to the side, it will become minus. This is a cube plus b cube. What about a cube minus b cube? If you want a cube minus b cube, what we have to do? We have to send this to the side. A minus b whole cube. This will become plus 3a square b minus 3ab square. Or from this, what we will get? A minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Okay. For this, it is vice versa. Here plus minus, minus plus, plus minus. Okay, in the same way there also. Here we will get only for b square, it won't change. Clear? Here again we have 8 formulas. A plus b whole cube 2, a minus b whole cube 2 formulas, a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube we have 2 formulas. And one more formula. Still for this we have again 2 formulas. Okay, based on the problem, we have to choose the formula. Okay, see, what is that formula? See here, a cube plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is one formula. And one more formula is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is another formula. Okay, how will you get? Multiply a into a square a cube, a into a square b, a into ab square. In the same way, if you multiply remaining, will get cancelled. Okay, these two also we have to keep it in mind. Okay, for cube we have derived 10 formulas here. Okay, see with 3 variables. Okay, what it is? A plus b plus c whole square is equal to. Okay, I am writing the formula directly. See, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. If you want to derive this formula, what we have to do? We have to multiply a plus b plus c 2 times. Nothing but a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c and multiply, we will get this formula. And by using this, we will be having 3 more formulas. What they are? See, a plus b minus c whole square, a minus b plus c whole square and a minus b minus c whole square. These three formulas will be here. Okay, for this, how to remember these three formulas directly, or how we can write directly? You can get your doubt. Okay, so see here. Here in place of c, we have minus. So wherever we have c, keep it minus. But here we have c square. Minus c square won't change. So based on power, we have to change sign. A square plus b square plus c square. Here you don't have c, so it won't change sign. Here you have c, so minus 2bc. Here you have c, minus 2ca. In the same way, here only b has minus. So wherever you have b, keep minus, but here it is square. So here I have b, minus 2ab, minus 2bc. Here no b. So minus 2ac or 2ca. Okay. And what about this? Well, you have b and c both minus. So you have to consider those two. See, you have b here. So minus 2ab. Here you have both b and c. So minus b into minus c, minus into minus plus. So it won't change. Here you have c, only c minus, so minus 2ca. Okay, these are the four formulas by using three variables. Okay, what it is? A plus b plus c whole square, a plus b minus c whole square, a minus b plus c whole square, a minus b minus c whole square. Clear? These four formulas you can get easily from this one. Understood or not? Okay, thank you.